Hey guys, so good morning, really quick. Today's gonna be a fun day. We're heading over to Caesar's house, check out the new garage, and also a local car meet later in the video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this one, and make sure you hit that thumbs up button because for the YouTube algorithm, it really helps my channel grow. So if you'd like to support, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. And other than that, let's just jump right into it. What's up, Elvis?
What's up, Amos? How you been?
Pretty good, bro. Pretty good. Airdrop.
Yeah, I know. My name's Elvis. Amos, best detailer in Tri-Cities.
As you guys can see, Elvis has one of the very cleanest, very nice Honda NSX. Carbon fiber. Look at that little accent pieces right there, guys. Oh, sick. Just got these wheels on not too long ago. It looks really good on this car. Very nice. That's a familiar face. Yep, that's one we just got done detailing with the ceramic on it. Looking mint. Say what's up to the channel, Alex.
What's up, YouTube fam?
We're gonna grub. Anybody hungry?
Hey, Elvis, did you see I'm gonna get some cups real quick.
That's hot. Yeah, currently it's down though, so Caesar's working on that. We have Caesar out here washing the Terminator, as they call it. If you guys are a big fan of the Terminators, aka the Cobras, comment down below. Maybe we can get behind the wheel of this bad boy. We're about to head out right now, go down and check out the meet. Supposedly it's already going on, so we're a little late to the show. Next clip. Well boys, we're almost there. We're having a little bit of fun before we get to the meet. So hope you guys are watching. If you guys haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing over at right here, Shield APR. It would mean a lot. Like I said, this is what I do full time. I try to bring you guys some really fun and interactive content and everything car related.
Made like close to 600. What's going on?
Aaron,
Oh, come on. Oh, Air, man, I'll kick your...
Check out those wheels, guys. Yep. Carbon fiber tub.
I know, I could take
Sick.
What's up, buddy?
Well, that was fun, but now we're heading over to another meet and well, fuel up because some of these cars are really thirsty.
He left home with the full tank.
That's what you get with the V8, bro.
Guys, how's the V8?
Hey, Caesar, could you take more time, bro? What the? Fill out.
I fed you.
Well, it seems like everywhere we go right now, the city has shut us down. Yo, what's up, bro? Getting wild and rowdy. Pretty good, bro. Dude, this thing got shut down really fast. I would say Kennewick PD's on top of their game. Yo, Frankie! That's what's up. Well, it's been a pretty good turnout. Basically so far. Damn! What's up? Yo, bro! Pre-war!
You missed the festivities.
Dude, I heard it got like shut down like quick. Dude. Oh. This thing is wicked. Like the freaking fenders. Uh-oh. Plug. Yeah, dude. The wheels came out nice. What's going on, man? Well, there we go, guys. Another crazy night in the TC. As most of you guys know, dude, Tri-Cities is definitely itching for that car culture vibe. A part of me definitely wanted to, like, just, I don't know, maybe just come out and just do this. Uh-oh. Sounds sick. I think we're gonna end the video here. So, yeah, what's up, Elvis? So, thank you guys so much for subscribing, checking out the video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. But other than that, have a good night, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.